What's going on, guys? This is Logan with West Desert Wheeler. We're out here today with Connor and Wyatt, and we're gonna be driving some RC buggies. So we got some badass cars here. Let's check them out really quick. This is my Type Pro with Capra axles on there. It's Vanquish axles on that one. This one is a UC Fab JHF moon buggy, and this has got the Vanquish F10 portals, and these are aluminum front and rear. And then this guy is really wild. This is a Chupa Capra that Wyatt put together. And this one is on SCX 10 Pro axles. Super cool. These are all really capable. We're gonna go have some fun on the rocks. Connor told us he had some pretty wicked lines out here to try. So apparently this is one of them. Front axle's trying to rotate out of the car right now. That's fun. Honestly, it's just like the real moon buggies out here. Those guys just go out and find ridiculous lines and try and force them through.
Man, this is...
So he's got a Deluxe Fab Stumpy in this little guy. A little tiny revolver. You see in there whizzing around.
Oh, that's why. I didn't control my rear. Yeah,
Let's see what you're driving.
So Connor and I had very similar UC Fab builds. I mentioned in a previous video, I did end up selling my UC Fab, so currently no longer have one. Hoping one day to get another one, but it probably won't be the JHF moon buggy chassis. I'm hoping to get a copy of my car, my real car. The overdrive's dragging those rears into that pocket really, really hard. This rock over here is over vertical, so it's not playing nice. And made is made. That was some real buggy stuff there, no doubt. Wyatt's coming through with 2 tires in the line. So his portal boxes are actually 3D printed, and if you wedge them up like Connor just did, you probably won't have portal boxes for long. And those are high altitude performance portal boxes, so my bad. We just scratched your new Chupa.
It happens.
Good acting, Wyatt. That's good acting. Super sick. Checking out the interior on this thing. The fuel cell looks excellent. Got the engine in here, and this actually hides his electronics. He's got a 1300 battery in here. Super cool. And then he's beating up these Vanquish OMFs. So I'm a big fan of that as well. And just left it in. Connor's got a wild line in mind for this one. It's even crazier than I was thinking he was talking about.
Alright, yeah, we're gonna have to hand to God this one. If you don't get that hook, you are...
I was always really impressed with my UC Fab on just the performance of them. They work really good. Because they're a lightweight cage. The overall build wasn't too heavy.
I'm like just out of the wheelbase on this. Oh, give it a shot, Wyatt.
Right to the shot. Now Wyatt has a lot more wheelbase here, so this could be interesting.
Yeah.
Dig. Oh. It's so close.
Oh, you got dig too, you cheater.
I'm trash at driving, so I have 2 digs.
See if you can hit this cap.
That's doable. Oh, I was shooting from
There
here.
or there, either one. It's not going to be easy either way.
Oh, well, let me see if I can shoot from the right side.
Lovely weight balance there. Oh. Grab a front only. Hold that front end in close. Okay, now we need the rears to push, so I need to straighten up my rear. Grab 4-wheel. I'm actually going to go a little further out, let this right rear help the car pivot around, and then bring it back. Uh-oh. Left rear should do the exact same thing we just did. Come on. Oh, come on, car. Well, not quite as graceful as I was hoping to make it look. Uh-oh, bumpers in the wall. Yeah, not exactly what I had in mind, but I think we'll get it to work. That was a hard slam. Uh-oh. Well, this isn't working out. Oh dear. Damn it.
That was the wrong move with the rears.
Front burn onto the wall. Guess we're just going for the man drop here. Maybe. Oh, yeah, easy. All of a sudden that rear had all the traction. Should be able to kind of hang it off that portal.
No.
You're good, keep going. Oh.
Back up there.
Rear down. You can't flip up because your front tire will hit that wall. You try. There you go. Nice save. Nope. That's it. You're scratching your door panel.
I think that's what they're for.
The caster on that thing is so long.
Great looking line right there. That was it. Butter.
Looks like it's a good continuity. Yep.
Almost there it is. Nice, dude. Good driving. Alright, I'm pretty proud of the old Tie Pro. She just got up this. This is not an easy line. Wyatt, please watch the profanity on the video, please.
There's children.
Pretty sure Bluey says that is children's.
Yeah, well, Bluey's dad is cheating on the mom.
No, that one was only in Australia. Okay, done my research.
You're real close, Connor. That's the idea. It's like that, but you just do better.
You just keep doing this, but 10 times better?
I don't even know if it's 10 times, just a couple times. Yes, yes. This is a big, steep climb. You use this vertical wall on the left and just use it in different ways depending on where you're at on the climb. It's pretty cool. Letting Connor figure it out. Very nice. Saw that nose starting to come up. Make it through.
There's nothing in there.
Oh, there it is. Keep going. Don't stop driving. Balance the front. All twisted up near the top. Get the front balance going.
Under the ledge.
Oh no!
See, this is why I don't listen to you.
You were doing the right thing.
If I was
and
stuck
then
with
you
my
stopped.
original strategy, I would have been out.
Here's the top view. Connor trying to get out of this canyon. Straighten your ears a little. Oh, now they're going down under that ledge. It's a tough one, dude. It's really close, man.
Dude, it's so annoying because
your
like
wheelbase is probably hurting you. Because my car probably made it. My car probably made it through the pinch before my rear had to come up that ledge. You're hitting them at the same time.
Yeah.
That's tough. Get up there. That's that right rear. Oh, 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 oh. Keep it going. Keep it going. Come on. Come on. Straighten the front a little. Yep, wiggle it. So close, man. Can you drop the rear off a little bit? If you're high enough, it should hold. Drop it off. Get out of the wall in the rear.
Huh?
Get out of the wall in the rear. There it comes. Woo! There it comes.
Yay!
All right, dude.
You ain't done that quite yet.
Easy,
There
easy.
it goes. Nice, dude.
The weeds of the cop taking out.
Jeez, dude, I just had to take a completely different line.
Yeah, dude. Good
Nice, dude.
way to stick with
Gosh.
All right.
That's it. Sorry. Oh, you battery right now?
Oh my god.
Of course.
That was my worst fear.
All right, quick.
Yep. Try not to block Wyatt's view.
That's okay.
That was it, dude. Very nice. Good drive.
Just a little lipo.